Hey, what's going on, everybody? My name is Chris. I'm here with Kathy. We go by Ginger Marvin on Instagram and YouTube, and we have another What Sold video for you today. It is Wednesday, and we are going to start following Kathy to see what sold for us today.
Hello, friends. I did want to thank a few of you guys for buying us coffees. Sorry, my voice is still like this, but I feel much better today. It's just my voice.
The good news is my voice is like 95% back. And that just means you're just probably another 1 or 2 days away from being back.
We got our live tomorrow, though, so I hope it's back tomorrow. Just can't talk much after this video, so Felicia bought us 3 coffees, said thanks for the spreadsheet and all your ideas and tips. They've helped me a great deal in my reselling business. So thank you so much, Felicia.
Thank you so much for that support. We appreciate it.
Very much. And Amy bought us 5 coffees saying, thanks, Chris, for taking time out of your busy day to help me. You explained the spreadsheet dates for me. You are both great. God bless. Awesome. Thank you so much, Amy.
Amy, thank you so much for that support. We do appreciate it. And I have been trying to get through, I have been trying to get back to a lot of people that have been having issues and questions on the spreadsheet. If you are having any issues, go ahead. I'll put an email on the screen here. It is resellerspreadsheet@gmail.com. You can message me there, and that's all just spreadsheet related. And if you're having an issue and I can't tell you how to fix it, I can get in there. You can share it with me, and I can get in there and try to fix it for you and explain what was going on. And that's what I did with Amy. If you're having any issues and you can't seem to get past them, do email me at that reseller spreadsheet, and we'll try to get it figured out for you.
All right, so thank you again, Amy. And then Stacy bought us 4 coffees, said thanks so much for giving us the help we need to succeed as you have. Watch your videos all the time. Thank you so much, Stacy.
Awesome, Stacy. Thank you so much for that support, guys. Thank you so much. We do appreciate it.
Very much. All right, we do have some really good sales today to pull, so we're going to start in box CI, actually.
Lead the way.
I've been doing my 15 a day to go live in the mornings, but today I didn't get them done yesterday because after I said I was going to go lay down and I pretty much just rested. So today's not over, so I'll have my 15 done by the end of today. But for that reason, I was thinking I wasn't going to make much sales today, but I've been pretty good. So very happy with what did come in. The first thing that sold was this Pendleton. This is like a pearl snap wool flannel. I just picked this up last week for $4.99. It sold for $57.81 plus shipping on eBay. So very good sale. Very good sale. Love Pendleton wool shirts. That is just over £1, so it's shipping out in padded flat rate. So, all right, and then AI. MM LaFleur. I found 2 of these one day. The other one sold pretty much right after I listed it. This one took a few weeks, but sold for $35 plus shipping. And I had $4.99 into it, so very happy with that again. Yeah. Those 5 into 30 plus, that's kind of my whole business model, mostly.
Or hope, right? At least.
If I can buy for 5 to 10, sell for 30 to 50, that's mostly what I hope to do, so. All right. This is a viewer sale going out to Jennifer. She bought 3 items, so let's see where to start. Box P.
Don't want to step on the Reese guy. How you doing, Reese? Good boy.
1 AG. BN. Okay, so she said she bought these 2 Matilda Jane ones for her little girl. These are so cute. Little flamingo romper and then a strawberry dress. I love strawberry print, anything. When I was a kid, we lived in California, like Orange County, and they have the Strawberry Festival every year. So I just loved going to that, and it always strawberries always just remind me of childhood, I guess. And then this was the brand Gus and Steel, which is similar to like Childhoods. It's just a nice organic cotton kids clothing brand. And yeah, so this was actually my son's hoodie. I did pay retail, so probably around $40 for that. These 2 both came from like a kid's consignment, so I did have a higher cost of goods at $11 each on these. Jennifer offered me $70. If I had sold this alone, I would have lost probably $10 to $15 on it. So I'm about breaking even. Is what I'm worth doing, but I'm happy to do that versus lose money, you know, sell them all separately.
Yeah.
So thank you so much, Jennifer. So she offered me 70 and I was happy to accept on Poshmark.
Awesome, Jennifer. Thank you so much for that support.
I think those should fit in a regional A.
They aren't happening to go to California, right?
Are they? Let me see.
I don't know.
Do you go to the Strawberry Festival? No.
I'm sure there's other strawberry festivals around the country, but
I feel like I remember they even had like a redhead contest or something. Like that's why I feel like I remember it. Billabong.
Are you a little redhead beauty contest winner?
Yeah. It wasn't like a beauty contest. I think it was just like, I don't even know. I could just be making this up for all I know. You know, when you have memories of childhood,
Your
that
daydream.
probably are different than like. I feel like when you're a kid, you think of things differently than when you're a grown up.
Yeah,
So,
it was probably just some creepy guy handing you a ribbon or something.
I know.
Nice hair.
So if you live in Orange County, let me know. All right, this one sold on Kitizen. It is a Billabong t-shirt. I think it says something about forward my calls. I'm on vacation. Super cute. I bought this retail arbitrage for $3.50. Sold it on Kitizen for $16.20 free shipping. The shipping label cost $4.15 through Kitizen, so I'm making like a $6.50 profit. So nothing huge, but I'll take it.
Yeah.
Okay, AL. I love when my stuff from the bin sells because even when it's like a $20 sale, it's still like a really good profit. So that's what this is. This is the brand Prana, which is a great brand. Anyways, I'd probably pick this up for even $5 to $8 at a normal thrift store. But this one came from the bins. I only had 97 cents into it, and it sold for $24 plus shipping on eBay. And that was an offer I sent to a watcher. All right, that's under a pound. So, okay, a hanging thing. This is going out to a viewer as well.
Hit the light box.
This one sold to our viewer, Courtney. It's the brand Maxine of Hollywood. The reason I bought it is because it was new with tag, and it's a swim dress. Like, this is the kind of swimsuit I like, so I figured somebody else would as well. So yeah, Courtney bought it for $44.46 plus shipping. I had $6 into that, and she just said she loves our channel and watches every day. So thank you so much, Courtney.
Courtney, thank you so much for the support.
And that is under a pound, so we will put it in a plastic and then in a poly mailer. Let's do. I love these ones.
I'm gonna lower this window. I hear Reese's friends out there barking.
He doesn't even care. Look at him.
I know.
He didn't even raise his head up. All right. Top shelf boots.
The top shelf boots.
All right, these. I almost passed on these at the thrift because they were priced up at $18.99, and they're just Durango brand, which I feel like, I mean, they're nice. The leather's nice and everything, but I feel like these are new, like 100. Mm-hmm. So I almost passed just because I was like, well, 19 into what? Maybe I was thinking 50. So anyways, I looked them up and they were still sold in like the $70 range. So I took a chance on them and they sold really quick, and they actually had a lot of interest right away. So they sold for $65 plus shipping. So that was worth it.
Yeah.
I think I could have got more too, but I sent an offer to a watcher, which I usually do, especially when I pay up for something like that. So yeah, I'm very happy with that.
Yeah.
And I actually pulled out a box for those. Chris is going to cut it down, but
Okay.
yeah.
Yeah, if you do HelloFresh, those boxes are really nice.
Yeah, they're really sturdy. Yeah, they are just a little too big to fit in the biggest USPS box. So, all right, AH. These are some Kamek snow boots. I have $7.99 into them. They sold on eBay for $26.66 plus shipping. And those are over a pound, but will fit nicely in a padded flat rate. Thankfully, they're going to New York, so otherwise it would have been like 11 something to ship out. Oh, another hanging item. This one kind of surprised me. It's just a Gap fleece. which the reason I bought it was because it was only $2, and it's a nice fleece. It has a couple wrinkles, but it's still like really soft, and it was a men's XX. So I was like, $2. I could probably sell it for 15. You know, that's fine with me. But it sold in just a couple days on Mercari for $27 plus shipping.
Hey.
And this is over £1, so the buyer paid $9 something for shipping because the Mercari shipping went out recently. So they're all in like $40 for this Gap piece. So yeah, I was very happy with that. So we'll bag that and then probably also box it. But it's UPS, so we have to pull it from the closet.
Oh, like a brown box, yeah.
All right, and then lastly, another Pendleton item. I think this is an O, but it might be a D. They're close to each other. All right, Pendleton. This one is not wool at all. It's just like a cotton polyester blend. Oh. So these ones sell for a little bit less. The wool ones usually sell 40 to 50. Yeah, that one I listed higher because it was in such good shape and it was like a long length or something. So this one I sold for $25 on Posh. That was an offer I got. I listed it at $39, but I paid $7.99 for it, so I thought $25 was good. This one's been listed a few weeks now, so happy to make a $12, $13 profit there.
Yeah.
And Poshmark, we'll do a tie-back mailer for that.
Very nice.
Yeah.
So I think we'll go ahead and get packing this stuff up and then check back in with you guys. What do you think about that, Reese? Is that okay with you?
He doesn't care.
Oh, he wants the tummy rub.
Oh, he's...
That must mean it's okay. We'll be right back. All right, guys, got everything packed up. Reese stayed to manage. So we did have one more sale come through.
Yeah, so BC. The brand of Abeo or Abeo. Abeo. These are just some sandals. I had $4.50 into them. Sold them on Posh for $36 with discount shipping. I think those will go on a medium flat rate.
Because it is Poshmark, you can use pretty much any priority mailbox for Posh, right?
Yep.
So we'll go ahead and pack that up off camera. I do think we're going to cut it here just to spare Kathy's voice a little bit. And yeah, we do have a live stream tomorrow. So hopefully we're going to pump her full of tea and all this kind of stuff just to get her voice soothed a little bit. So yeah, I think that is going to do it for today's video. Not a long video at all today, but we have gotten a lot of work done today. So I feel great about that. And yeah, we're going to be preparing for another live coming up Thursday, which is probably about the time this video is going up, or maybe the day before this video goes up. Now, I'm not sure. Our schedules are kind of whack right now with us having colds and everything. So yeah, I'm going to cut it here, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks for all the amazing viewer support today, guys. And I can't wait to see you guys in the next one. Bye.